My name is Gus Valdez. I'm the president of Terrazzo and Concrete Equipment, and we supply all grinding equipment, diamond tooling. Our grinders are all gear driven. There are no belts, there's no chains. Our equipment is made in USA. Our equipment is more for prepping concretes, concrete polishing, terrazzo, restoration, marble, and we supply terrazzo materials, concrete polishing, liquids, densifiers, sealers, and one of our things that we do a lot is we do a lot of repairs on all kinds of grinders. We also we sell the epoxies, the resins. On our grinders, we have from the smallest, this is more like a medium. We have another grinder that is 54 inches wide, and we have self-propel. The one thing about our equipment, and the reason why it's different from other pieces of equipment, our grinders are all gear driven. So there's no belts, there's no chains. Our equipment, we have, like I said, from small one to large. The equipment that we have here, it's all gear driven, and again, we don't use a lot of plastics. We use everything, whether it's metal, stainless steel. It's all bearing. It's greased. We don't have oil. We don't have self-seal bearings. It's got grease. You can use it dry. You can use it wet. Pretty much this type of equipment has been around for 85 years. So it's been around for many, many years, and it's still always been gear driven. So that's what's different about ours, that it's a gear driven machine. And now that, of course, we started coming out with the self-propel, instead of just being a push, it's a self-propel. We're coming out, hopefully in the next 2-3 months, we'll have a ride-on remote control.